Hey everybody, it is SuperGirl KY here again, and let's make a 3D pumpkin for this week's Cricut creation. So I went in and under projects found this really cute 3D pumpkin. Now I will say it looks a little boring in the canvas, however, when you see what I did with it, you'll be amazed. It is a very simple project. You do need a scoring tool with this. Technically, you could also just fold it on your own. This could be something for a classroom. This could be something for the office. I personally put this on my side table in the family room. And it's like 6 inches wide. Super easy, super adorable, good for both, I would say, Halloweeny and fall. And what I did is I made some plaid orange and the others just plain orange. Now if you do it how I did it, you'll run into an issue, if you want to call it that, where two plaid sides will be next to each other. I personally don't really think it's too big of a deal, but beggars can't be choosers. So I went ahead and laid everything out and got to cutting. Once the Cricut was all done, I went ahead and pre-laid out everything. I had already glued a couple, but this is how I did it. I just simply went around every little individual area, and you want to make sure you line up the two pieces of paper appropriately. Otherwise, it won't line up as well in the end. And then you want to add in your little stem. And you're going to rinse and repeat this step 5 times. When you're all done gluing each side, what you're going to do is fold one in half, take another one and fold that half to the current one's half, as you can see in the video, and you're just going to keep doing this until all of the 5 pieces are all glued together and the pumpkin is standing up. Now, one thing you could do in addition to this is take some burlap ribbon and make a cute little bow at the top. I personally didn't, but I think that would be a cute addition. You could also add in like fake leaves or Spanish moss to put at the top as like these stems. The options are endless. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Go ahead and leave in the comments any ideas you would like me to do in the future. And I will leave a link to this design in the description below. As always, it has been a pleasure, and have a super day.